Back when tigers used to smoke, before the rise of the cream to the top, there was an age.
Whoa, dude,
We'll retake.
Motorcycles in this world too, and smoking tigers.
Yes.
Holy
Back when tigers used to smoke.
Just got interesting.
Okay.
Before the rise of the cream to the top, there was an age undreamed of. It is here our story begins, in the humble village of Pinewood Pass, a forest thruway that primarily serves as a resting point for those off to bigger and better things. Tucked away in a pocket of relative peace, made possible by the natural borders that serve to protect it from invading bodies, Pinewood Pass and its surrounding area are popular amongst travelers due to its central location between major cities and relative safety compared to most everywhere else around it. Merchants, traders, drifters, and grifters circulate through the wooden halls of Pinewood Pass with the regularity of a steady pulse. And although few choose to make it their permanent home, those that do live well by tending to their travelers when they aren't busy losing it back on bets. Although there's tension brewing between the progress-driven empire of the East and the more free-spirited kingdoms
Damn
out
DMing
west,
people. He's not listening.
Pinewood Pass remains open to all kinds, so long as they have money to spend. Orcs, gnomes, humans, elves, and a variety of other species and races call Pinewood Pass home, and many more happy to call it a restful stop along the way. The most prominent structure, located in the center of the village, is the inn, at which most all things and people who pass through end up staying. Fate's Fork, the best and only inn in the village that the village has to offer. Sam?
Yeah.
Fucking face.
What is your character?
What are you looking at?
What can I call your character? It doesn't have to be exactly your name or whatever, but like, what do you want to be? What's your character here?
My name's Hugh.
Okay.
Oh my god. Last name about Janus? I swear to God.
Please tell me his name is
Okay,
not Hugh Janus.
okay. Just wait. It is here that you, Hugh.
Thanks for watching, everyone. The plan is to keep working on these animations and animate all of Die of Laughter. Leave a like or subscribe if you liked it and want to keep seeing more of these. Thank you.